This is Arcadia, every architect's dream. Well, mine at least. And now it's getting a whole new look. We are taking Arcadia into the 21st century. Accessibility, emergency exit security, access control, fire protection.
Okay, by when?
This will take forever.
In a traditional way, yes. But I have a suggestion. It will open in the summer. I mean, reopen.
Summer next year.
This year.
Oh, you were serious? Can you do that?
Come on, guys, we can do this. This is the chance. I mean, we already have the plans. First, let's compile everything and get an overview.
What is it?
I've sent you the revised door list.
Then we pick what we need.
That one could work.
Isn't that a bit much?
It's perfect.
All right. Do 2 or 3 variations.
Show the other option again.
Then pick the best one.
Ah, that's better.
Where was the emergency exit again?
1 sec.
That's it.
And show it to the boss.
Where's the, Oh. Fantastic.
Fantastic. He's more likely to say something like,
Has this been tested with the access solutions?
Yes, that's right. This is where Marcus comes in, the security planner. I prepare everything for him and share it with him in the system. Maybe I even write him a nice email so he knows what it's about. He comes to work in the morning. He has all the info he needs and can get started. I'm sure he'll have a question or will find fault with something. But he will have a solution ready. And then we're done and ready to order. Easy. The Arcadia can be open this summer.
there is one catch. Marcus is on sabbatical.
It's not a problem.
Not a problem?
No, it's not a problem. I'll send the data to the Dormakaba Planning Service.
Dormakaba Planning Service speaking. What can I do for you?
They do the same as Marcus, just without Marcus.
Hi, you can now upload the data to the app and coordinate the commissioning of the doors.
Thank you.
Perfect. This is exactly the kind of speed we need, guys. Come on, let's go.